Hello everyone. Today we shall look into rotating tile by MAQ software. I have added the custom visual here. You could get the visual from this get more visuals and add from the marketplace. I have added the visual. Once I click on the visual, you could notice that uh, I have only one field which is required, which is measures. And with respect to measures, I could use either implicit or explicit measures. I'm using my implicit measures like sales and profit and maybe discount. In order to view the discount provided, I'll click on the average discount so that it could be represented in percentages. I'll keep it in focus mode so that it is visible here. As you could see, my values are rotating. I could show you a few formatting things so that you could understand it very well. Here in the animation settings, I could reduce the delay period. I'll keep it to 1 second so that it could rotate faster. And in the vertical flip option, if I turn it on, you could see that it will rotate vertically. Now it is rotating vertically. If you turn on the 3D effect, you could see that my 3D effect is now turned on. I could even give the color of background such as orange color. I could change my border color as well. These are like few settings. I could increase or decrease the delay period. Here I would increase the delay period to 3 seconds, or we can keep it to 2 seconds as well. No, it is like could be customized. And in the title settings, this is my title, which it is appearing gray color. I'll keep it to dark black so that you could see my sum of sales. I could increase the size of it so that it is clearly visible, like sum of profit and sum of sales and average discount. It is my tile is rotating now. And here when I click on the label settings, you could customize this label settings which are appearing, and you could even set the units. If I keep it in thousands, it will keep it show in thousands. If I keep it in millions, it will show in millions. So average discount, I'll keep it in none because it is impacting discount as well. Or auto you can choose. And this is how formatting works for the rotating tile, which is by MAQ software. You can make use of it in different contexts where multiple measures could be arranged in one particular tile or visual like this. It will be helpful in like which is rotating. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.